Let's start with the video.
So let's talk about this kit first. This is the Popzo Makeup Mini Lip Kit, and this is in the shade No Drama. It has 3 lip colors, and all you have to pay for these 3 beautiful shades is rupees 349. So basically, the No Drama Mini Lipstick Kit features 3 creamy matte lipsticks in nude shades for everyday makeup looks. This one that I'm swatching is called Bliss. This one is a beautiful pinky nude shade, and this would be perfect for everyday wear or for office wear. The formula is amazing, and it has a beautiful, easy to use, lightweight formula which glides on easily and is super pigmented, enriched with vitamin E, and also does not dry out the lips. Next shade is Comfort Zone. This one is a brown nude shade. So as I've told you, all the 3 lipstick shades in this No Drama Mini Lip Kit are nudes, but they do have a different undertone to them. So that makes it very beautiful and very different from one another. Also, this lip kit might be your pick if you're looking for a reasonable makeup investment. You are getting 3 lipsticks at a very affordable price. What else you want? Then third shade is called Hype. This one is again a combination of brown and pink, kind of a My Lips but better lipstick, and it's beautiful, gorgeous shade, glides on easily on the lip and would easily stay on your lips for 4 to 6 hours. The formula of these lipsticks is creamy matte, and also it would not make your lips to crease, and they are free from alcohol, mineral oil, paraben and D5. So it's very good for your lips as well. Plus it has vitamin E, and that is going to condition your lips. It's not transfer proof because of a creamy matte formula, but stays on your lips and looks beautiful even after transfer. Next up, we have the K-Play flavored lipstick. This one is cranberry flavored vitamin E enriched creamy lipstick. So cranberries are rich in vitamin A and C, are a natural exfoliant, giving you petal soft pouts. This one literally smells of cranberries, and it's priced at rupees 545. It has intense color payoff, has a creme touch finish, very smooth application, available in fresh and fruity flavors. It's high coverage, and also it's completely cruelty free. The shade is beautiful, perfect for parties and weddings, has a beautiful brightening effect of your face, and I personally loved the lipstick. Next, we have the MyGlamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, priced at 395 only, and the shade I have is called Perk Up. This one is a beautiful caramel shade, kind of a terracotta shade if you're looking for one. Has a matte finish, 100% matte, smudge proof, transfer proof formula, lasts easily up to 8 hours, has a smooth, opaque application, plus it's highly pigmented and looks super beautiful. Plus it's transfer proof and budge proof.
Friends, those were my top 5 lipstick picks. What are you waiting for? Go check those lipsticks out. Bye guys.